There.
Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Don't touch that! That's the Xbox One! Dad! 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 Don't touch that shit! Dad! 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 What the fuck are you... Dad! Dad! What the fuck are you doing? Dad?
It's Xbox.
You're not touching this! You're not...
Get away, put it back!
What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you... Dad! 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 Dad!
Hey, you cut through a plastic thing!
It's not even something! There's plastic everywhere! Get the fuck out of here! You think that's funny? You think that's funny? I don't know! He's sawing it up! What the fuck's he doing? Dad!
You know the way.
Dad!
Oh, shit.
Dad! Dad!
Holy shit!
Ah!
Game.
God! Why? Fuck! 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 Fuck!
Holy
Violent
shit.
video game.
Holy shit!
Master Chief! Master Chief Collection! It's the only way out to learn!
You can't take it. No,
Yeah.
it's fine.
That's because I have to because you buy it behind my back.
You taught him how to play video games.
Oh, where'd he go? What the hell? A little Swiss Family Jesse over here. Hey, buddy.
Get the fuck out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
No! No! Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour!